Euro trip. In Barcelona, I went to aquarium and saw the sharks. After that, I went to Five Guys to eat a little burger. In Florencia, I visited the Academy Gallery and the Duomo to saw Michelangelo. Then I went to Ponte Vecchio. I walked in the city and I bought a beer in the market. In Roma, the Colosseum was my favorite place on the trip. After that, I visited London and I ate fish and chips. It's a typical food. And in the night, I drank a beer with my uncle April. Finally, in Berlin, I visited the memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe, and it was incredible, and it was a nice experience.